Hello WordPress people, in this video we are going to talk about a new plugin called Media Library Manager. So what this plugin does, so first of all, when you fresh install this plugin on your site, it will ask for media indexing. So when you start indexing, it will index all the medias and then you will be able to see the duplicates files in your media library. So that is what currently this plugin is doing. It is identifying the duplicates and you can remove duplicates from your media library and save plenty of your space. So that is the only thing this plugin is providing as of now. In future there will be more features. So you can just start your 7-day free trial from here. So when you click, you will be asked to have a free trial. You can cancel any time before that free trial and you won't be charged. So yeah, I have already got the plugin and installed. So once you install the plugin, go to settings and here you will see the media index. So I have already done indexing of my media. So first let me go to the library and you will see there are same images uploaded many times. So what this plugin does, it will identify the duplicate files like this, and then when you click on the remove duplicates, so it will consider the first image uploaded as an original image and other as duplicates. So it will remove duplicates. So when we click remove duplicates, so make sure you do backup or test this on staging site first before applying this to the production site, because what this will do, so let's say you have these three images but used in some different post. So in that post content or as a featured image, so it will replace those image with the original one and move this to the trash. So once you click on remove duplicates, just click on I have taken a backup, proceed. So right now I have only 16 I have only 32 images, so it has done it quickly, but this process depends on how big your library is. So now 16 images are in trash. So currently so all the images still will be there because this is the images are in trash, but let me click on the library. So currently we have 32 images and 16 are in trash. So once we do empty trash, then it will be deleted permanently. So now if I refresh this, only 16 images or media will be there. Yeah, so this is how you can save your plenty of space on your disk. And yeah, this is the plugin. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. I'm gonna provide this plugin link into the description section. Thank you.